Mosque cleaning activity. Good morning, Mahir. Today, I'd like to tell you about Hassan's participation in a mosque cleaning activity. It happened last weekend, and it was organized by the youth association in his village. It was a really meaningful experience for him.
Oh, that sounds wonderful. What did they do?
Well, early in the morning, Hassan and his friends gathered at the mosque with cleaning equipment like brooms and dust cloths. As soon as they arrived, they divided the tasks among themselves.
Nice! What was Hassan's specific job?
Hassan was responsible for sweeping the prayer area and neatly arranging the copies of the Quran. He felt so happy and proud because, as we know, cleanliness is a huge part of faith in Islam.
That is so true. What did they do after finishing the work?
After they finished, they prayed together and listened to a short reminder from the Imam about the virtues and rewards of taking care of the mosque.
It sounds like he learned a lot from that day.
Definitely. From this experience, Hassan learned the importance of cooperation, responsibility, and maintaining the cleanliness of places of worship. He was just really grateful to contribute to his community in a positive way. Thank you for listening, Mahir.
You're welcome, Razka. Thanks for sharing such an inspiring story.